Well, good day everyone, it's Saturday. Bit more time for the workshop and it's really starting to warm up again now in Perth. Today is going to be 30 degrees or something, so this workshop warms up really fast. I might have to do something about it this year. But today, if you stick around long enough, I'm going to show you how I made this. There you go, it's my little dagger. It's a test piece and I will be making a much larger one at some point, but this took a lot of work and turned out really well. But for now I'll show you how I did it. Whilst this intro's playing, comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell, all those fine things. If you hit the bell, that'll notify you when I upload new videos, make knives like this one and many others I've done. Feel free to go back through the old videos and have a good look around. I'm trying to grow my channel, so what I do here is free. It will always be free. And what is free for you to do though is subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. It does help the channel. I am trying to grow it. But anyway, without further ado, let's get on with it. What I've got to solve is this. So I've got the handle on there, but you can see that it's, I don't know why I did it, but I suppose it's because it's the only piece I had. But it's too short, as you can see here. So on the end I've got to try and either braze or weld a piece of thread on there. So when this is on here, so when that's on there, it sticks out the end of here, and then I can thread a cap on it somehow, a pommel. And I still haven't solved how I'm going to do that either, but let's see. Let's get on with it.
It's probably a fraction better suited to a racetrack and a fraction more compromised on the road. They don't do an all-wheel drive version like the Golf are, but the front-wheel drive...
Well, it's another day after work and I just realised I've made a bit of a stuff up here and I've got to solve it somehow. Yeah, so there you go. Obviously that's wider than that, so if I slide anything on you're going to see a gap here. I wonder if I could grind that flat, but this still works even though it's flat.
Can't get the hands free. Martin chops it off here for the Tigers. Hand pass goes nowhere, really. Clark trying to get...
such a long time that what it would do is absolutely. And neither the argument that people support Donald Trump nor they support Donald Trump really that outraged to the same degree. What difference does Kamala Harris's role in this historic first? Was the way she's been treated since then is just as important. So,
Don't know if you can see that, but I just split the end of this, just there. Oh yeah, you can clearly see that. Yeah, so I think obviously this is no good. I'm going to abandon that. Alright, good morning. Saturday, a bit more time for the workshop, but not much, mind you. I've got a lot of work to do around the house. So I'm part way through. Let's just see if I can see myself here. So I'm part way through grinding this. I've rough ground both sides of it, and I've I've rough ground that, and then I've hand sanded that. Now, although it takes out the crispness of that transition, I really don't know what else I can do. I can't seem to get a real straight grind on there. So hand sanding fixes a lot of things. So that's what I'm going to carry on doing.
Unfortunately, yes. And in fact, one of the strengths of the solidarity trial is that our enrollment has remained at a steady state of about 2,000.
Can unite the city during tight coronavirus restrictions placed on the road body?
It was played now in city, for example, city, yes, the whole city is united and was one people.
Mostly cloudy today, we're heading for a top of 15 degrees, and Hobart a partly cloudy day, a top of 17.
Yeah, exactly. So while New Zealand has done really well in terms of COVID, life here is still normal. We don't have to wear masks. We don't have to do social distancing.
Alright, so another day, a bit more of an experiment here. This is some layers of perspex. We're going to try and create a handle out of this. And similar to the wooden one I had, I'm going to cut a spiral in it as well after I've shaped it.
strategy to revive this campaign before the new
I started to think about, well, the size of yours or mine, yeah, it's beginning
That's in there, and I don't mind that.
to look at this and say, oh, how are you to find this? It doesn't look like
This,
but a couple of things
then this.
are that, one, a lot of the people who initially came to see even a fossil looked like, but I think the more important thing, we didn't have anything to compare it to. I think
Wow.
the important thing is that this really meant a lift. And initially it was 4 tons, but couldn't even pull it. So he had to cut down the size of the giant by about half of what he originally planned, just so the horses could move it.